How to remove background in Canva Affinity. So here's one way you should be able to do this. So you're gonna have to go to the pixel section over here and you're gonna choose the third tool. So this is going to help you remove a background of your specific image. So choose this one over here and then the selection tool and just select whichever image or what part of the image you want to keep. And then once you're done, go ahead and press on the layer that you want to keep and press on CTRL and then J at the same time. Now you'll have two different layers over here. You have the image you want to keep and then the original layer. Just toggle off the original layer and then you'll have what's left, which is the image that you kept. There's a little mishaps over here, but you can go ahead and adjust that later on. But that's pretty much how you remove the background for your Canva Affinity. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.